So this application called Import Bank Statement allows you to import bank statement in Odoo community. So let's see how this works. So we will go to our invoicing application first, and under configurations, we have an option called Import Bank Statement. Now here you can upload your bank statement, and before doing that you can download the sample file to which you can add the details of your bank statement, and you can upload that template with all the details. So here you have the two options to upload. You can use either CSV option or XLS option. It's up to you. Let's say I choose the XLS format and I download the sample file. So sample file will be downloaded, which will look something like this. So here you can add all the necessary details and requirements that you would like to import. And once that is done, you can import and upload the file by going to upload your file. So let's click on that. I will choose my file and I will choose the format here as well, and I will import. As soon as I import, I can go to accounting, I can go to bank statement lines, and here you can see my bank statement has been imported. So if I open any one of them, you can also see this in your journal entries. So if I go to journal entries, you can see your reference here would be visible to you. Okay, here we are. So here you can see your references visible to you. You have the journal items that we imported. You have the memo number. So this was the memo number that we chose. Let me close this. This was the one that we imported. This is the file that we imported. So here you can see memo number 21 with reference number 21, and you have the journal here as well, and also the label and the debit and the credit. So here you can find the imports in journal entries, and you can also find the same in the bank statement lines, where you'll be able to see all the statement lines that you have uploaded or imported. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your question in the comment section below, and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.